We've had mild temperatures, we've had some gusty winds, we've had clouds and sunshine, and some of us have seen a few showers, but many of us have not. And basically, this little line here is right along our cold front. There's been more in the way of some organized showers down across Southside Virginia and exiting portions of the eastern shore. And then there's another batch of showers. Not all of this will make it over the mountains, but by 10 o'clock or so, there could still be another passing shower. Let's zoom in on some of the activity east of Charlottesville now. This is basically in southeastern Louisa. You get out toward Apple Grove and down toward Jackson, some showers there. Go back into Goochland County. Here we are in Fork Union, still a shower in progress. That is moving away. Then skies are temporarily clear. Yes, it was another warm day. High at the airport today of 66. That's 12 degrees above average. And of course, we had those gusty winds as well. Right now, we're 60 at the airport, 59 in Madison, 58 there in Standardsville, same there in Palmyra, and some lower 50s from Waynesboro to Stanton to Harrisonburg at this hour. And yes, we still have winds gusting over 20, even 30 miles an hour, and that'll continue for a while here tonight in the wake of the front, which will continue to push off to the east. So temperatures overnight anywhere from the mid 30s to around 40 in many spots, and we'll have again prior to about 11 o'clock the chance for maybe an isolated shower or two. Temperatures tomorrow are cooler, but for many of us still above average. Upper 50s to around 60 east of the Blue Ridge, and at least some middle 50s across the Shenandoah Valley. Next big thing is the welcome to March. So this weekend is going to feature a very warm Saturday with highs back in the 60s. Now with that will be some gusty winds. A dry cold front will swing through, and that's going to have those temperatures tumbling by some 20 plus degrees into Sunday. So some of the wind gust on Saturday will be topping over 25, over 30 miles an hour. So we'll have that to contend with. So that mild air on Saturday, relatively short-lived as a chillier air mass settles in. And again, those morning lows by Sunday will be widespread in the 20s, afternoon highs in the low and mid 40s. Next chance of any rain really holds off until Wednesday, late Tuesday and Wednesday. And we'll have to watch because right now the models are indicating the dynamics of this system with a lot of wind energy riding up the eastern seaboard could coincide with the potential for some severe storms. But it'll certainly be a wet go of things along with some gusty winds on Wednesday, and that's something that we'll continue to monitor. In the meantime, cold front continues to push off to the east here tonight. Some of these showers back across West Virginia, not all of it, but some of it can still cross the mountains. Some of that will be turning to snow across the high country of West Virginia here tonight, and then high pressure builds in for the day on Friday. So yes, there's some cooler air back behind the system, and we'll briefly cool down tomorrow before we have that one-day warm-up here on Saturday. So there we are later tonight, 10 o'clock or so. Still can't rule out that stray shower. Otherwise, mostly clear overnight. Temperatures in the morning, mid-30s to around 40, and still breezy. And then afternoon highs, mid-50s to around 60. And then looking at your Saturday, we'll start in the 40s. A gusty wind during the day with mix of sun and clouds, and temperatures will top out basically in the low 60s for many. Tonight, skies returning mostly clear, especially after 11 o'clock or so, but still that stray shower early, 35 to around 40. Look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, getting ready to say goodbye to February, and March awaits here this weekend with that big temperature swing, and that's pretty indicative of the month of March anyway, and we'll have to highlight that Wednesday time frame for the potential of maybe our first bout of some severe storms.
All right, Eric, thank you.
And we'll be right back.